we're gonna do some fishing. I'm at a creek. Where I've been before, I've seen some fish here, caught some fish here. We're gonna go give it a shot. It's hot as balls. It's hot. So we'll see what we can do.
A few moments later.
Okay, I got one. And now I gotta walk it across the bridge. Oh, it's like a nice largie too. Alright. Cool, he's right this way. Oh, Jesus. Alright. I think it's a large. No, that might be a smallmouth. Alright, I'm gonna have to step in here. I'm afraid I'm gonna sink. Alright. Oh, there's another one with him. Dude, that is a smallie. Oh man, barely hooked. And score. All right. Oh, I can't get that out of there. All right, well, stole my worm, but that is my PB smallmouth. I've never caught one that big. That's a nice one. Hell yeah. Alright, sitting back because that was a long fight and it's hot. Ouch. Just got a spine by him, putting him back in. And off he went. Alright, he's good. Cool, there was another one in there, so I'm gonna go up here and get my water. And, oh, there's a little something. Ow, man, I really got him on the back there. And get my worm and do all that stuff. Wow, that was crazy. I can't believe I'm not freaking out more. Okay, I'll be back with you momentarily. I hope that isn't the first cast curse, because that was literally my first cast. Alright, let's see if I can find a worm that matches that. The problem is I caught him over there. I hooked him over there. And he bit like out there, so I had to kind of have to come all the way back this way. I don't want to cast over there because I can't see what I'm doing. I should have brought a box, I guess, because the whole putting him in my pocket thing is not working. Man, I didn't even know I had that fish hooked when I had him hooked. The whole thing was just crazy. I just reeled down to it and it wasn't where it was before. Alright. I wasn't even going to fish this hole either. I was going to go to a totally different spot. There's something. I'm guessing a squirrel up here. I'm about to go find out. The next one I hook into, I guarantee will not go that well. I hear a cow or a Bigfoot. Okay, let's repeat the same strategy, I guess. Oh.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
Okay, so what I'm trying to do is just float this thing downstream. Right here in front of us, between me and that log over there, is a big deep pool. I don't think you guys can see that, but there's a huge carp right there. He didn't have it?
One of our local business specialists at bankofamerica.com/global-business.
I'm gonna switch colors here just because this one's a little more green versus like that green pumpkin. I've caught one right before you walked down. Yep.
How big was it? Tip?
Yeah, it was like this. It was a decent size one. It was my biggest smallmouth ever.
Nice. It's a clean water today.
Yeah, very clean. I'm surprised with all the rain we've had.
Yeah.
It's very hot though.
Oh, yeah. Be careful.
Yeah, you too. Be safe. Oh, look, there's a snake. I don't know what type of snake it is, but he's struggling against the current. Surprised he made it that far. Something just splashed over here too. So we are gonna cast over there, see what happens.
Businesses are the backbone of our communities, and Bank of America is the best bank for small and medium-sized businesses. With over 3,700 dedicated business specialists across the nation, we're on your
Oh, there's a car coming. I need to move.
because when businesses prosper, communities thrive. Who would you like to hire today? Bank of America. Come by one of our local business specialists at bankofamerica.com/global-business. It's now even easier to get your own unique bet.
Oh, hello, little butterfly. How about that? You and I did not consider before coming over here was that I just saw a snake swimming in this direction. It's okay. I want to move anyway. It's very hot staying here in the sun. I know, don't leave fish to find fish, but we're gonna leave fish before we die of heat stroke. Oh, there's a fish. I bet you that's that one I just caught. And I bet you the same thing happened before.
I cannot lost in my home. I cannot lost. Front of these people. Front of these winners. We are humans. And they are winners. Azerbaijan is the winners.
Okay, there he is. I see him. I think that's a larger. I think that's a different fish, actually. He saw me do that.
a rocket, man. You can send me to the moon. Yeah.
Men bilmeden kim regim olabilir ama ki men bir roket gibi bir insanım. Siz beni hatta Ay'a yollayabilirsiniz. Ladies and gentlemen, show your appreciation.
Okay, we're gonna walk a little bit, put my phone down. See if we can't find another spot. There he is again. That might be the same fish. And I think that's a largie compared to the other one. But it might be. We're gonna give him a break because it might be the same one. This guy's backing out. We'll catch up here at the next spot. This may have been a mistake. I've walked through like 18 spider webs. There's probably one on me somewhere. And I'm in flip-flops, and the guy I ran into wasn't lying. It's a pretty good hike back here to the creek. I went over that bridge back there, but there's barely any water in that because it's been 90. So yeah, that's how this is going. Just for an update. It's been like 5 minutes, but I've been walking at a pretty good clip this whole time. And now it's getting muddy, so we may be getting to a point where I'm just going to turn around and walk back. I'm kind of committed, but it is really far. My phone did die, and I'm really hot, and this is all the water I have. So, yeah. All right, should have listened to the other guy. Yeah, you better run, squirrel. No. On the bright side, I don't have to walk through any spider webs coming back because I already walked them. I don't know how everybody else didn't. We just got very quiet in these woods. It could be because I got away from the river, but I don't remember it being this quiet when I walked through here before. Oh, there he is. Found him again. Swim away from me already. I didn't even cast over there. There we go. I got another one. This one's not nearly as big. I might be able to yank him up here. Just gotta get him out of this current. That's the biggest problem. Yeet. Big old boat flip. Whoop, too far. That's another smallie. Man, that's my third one ever. And that's not for lack of trying. I shouldn't have yanked him up here because I opened his mouth up. And I feel bad now. I'm sorry, my friend. Right, now we have to be careful of the snake. Cannot forget the snake. I don't think he'd be up here though because it's awfully bright. Oh man, I left my scissors. See ya. He went right back. Oh yeah. When I say that's my second smallie ever, I'm not lying. And it's not because I haven't tried. I think I just suck. It's really what it is. Okay, we're gonna try something just for the heck of it, and then we're gonna leave. Because I'm hot. So I'm pretty certain you guys couldn't see that, but I made a really good cast at that fish. And he went around it when he saw my line.
Swing and a miss.
So I am getting bites over here. Man, I got pushed into some rocks by the current. Ah, Brooke got it off clean. I might have bent the hook, but who knows?
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.